Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Incampo. I've been a professional designer in New York City for the past 6 years, and I'm here to share some of my design tips and tricks. This is design tip number 2. So, the second tip is also relatively simple, but I think it's super important. Always print out your work. Even if it's for web applications, or an app, or just completely digital, it's always helpful to print it out. Because when you print it out, you really can see the little differences, and you can really get in there and play with the space with a pencil or a pen, and I just think it's overall helpful. If you're working on print stuff, you should especially print it out, because sometimes you work on the computer, you have it zoomed in 200%, 250, even 150, and you think, oh, this looks great, this is perfectly legible, then you print it out, it's way too small, or it's way too big. And the only way to make sure that it is perfect every time is to print it out, in my opinion, especially the print stuff, but I think there's also just as much importance in doing it when you're working on digital stuff, because there's just a different feel when you have it in front of you and you aren't looking at it on the computer. So yeah, that's tip number 2. I know that's another pretty simple one, but I think people benefit from it. I don't know if everybody was taught to always print stuff out, and I don't really know if I was taught that explicitly or it's just something I picked up over the years. But yeah, I wanted to give it to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more tips coming soon.